and he said his challenge is making ramen eggs that peel without making a total mess. We talked about this in the post that I was asking for pre-questions, so you can go there and check it out. I don't have a lot of experience with eggs. I find sous vide eggs to be a pain in the butt. They do not work. When they work well, they work really well, but they also, I don't know. I know how to boil eggs in on the stove, and I know how to make poached eggs, and so I tend to just do that instead of sous videing them. I really like egg bites, and I think that's a good use of sous vide for eggs. And I'll do things like egg blossoms, where you take the eggs out, put them in food safe plastic wrap, and then put them in the circulator and cook them for a little bit. And they have really neat shapes to them. And so I'll do things like that with eggs, but I haven't really dove into doing the sous vide eggs too much. I know some people have, and they have really good results with it, but I feel like it's one of those things that I need to experiment a whole lot more with before I am really confident with what I'm doing. In the comments when we were talking about this, we pointed to another of Kenji's articles that he's talking about the best way to do hard boiled eggs and to make them easy to peel. So I know Gary had some answers there at least, but that's my recommendation. I've also heard really good things about pressure cooking eggs to get them out of the shell, take them from the pressure cooker and put them in an ice bath. But eggs aren't something that I eat too much outside of omelets or sunny side up. So I don't do a ton with them, but it's something that, as a sous vide expert, I should probably experiment a little more with and get a better feel for them in general.